Hello guys and welcome to my 20th video tutorial on XHTML and CSS, and in this video I will teach you how to use an external CSS file. Okay, so let's go to page1.html, open that with Notepad, and let's delete all the code from the last video. Okay, and let's make a paragraph in the body section. Hello, how are you? Or let's do some div stuff. Okay, let's do a div, and the div, let's my first div, and my second div. Okay, now let's give it an ID to each div. So div ID equals first, and div ID equals second. Right, okay, so let's go to CSS now and write div first, and let's type a background color, background color, let's give it a red. Now let's give it a border of 1 pixel, solid, and let's give it a black color. Okay, now let's give a width, okay, width of 100 pixels, and we have to give height also, height of 30 pixels. And now I want to give position absolute. We didn't talk about this attribute or property, position, okay, but we will in after this video, or in the next one I will teach you about this. Okay, just type for now position absolute, and let's give from top, let's give it a 50 pixel from top to position. So we are positioning the divs. Okay, I'm going to position this div 50 pixels from top and 100 from left, 100 pixels from left. So save. Let's see our let's see how the div is in the page. So let's open this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, that red box, this is the div called first. Okay, so let's give another let's give some properties to div second. We can give it, we can copy this, copy, and then paste it here and call this second. And let's change the position. Let's give a 50, 100 pixels, 150 pixels from top. Now let's open this, refresh. Okay. Now we have div 1, div first, and div second. Okay. And what I want to teach you in this video is that we have here, until now we used the CSS code inside these tags, okay, and in the same file that we do the code of our web page, in this case page1.html, okay. But I want to take this code out of this file and put it in a unique CSS file, okay. So a unique CSS file, we have to open, let's open a unique CSS file and click here, new, and copy paste, copy this, paste it in the new, and you can delete the style tags, okay, we don't need those, okay. And now save as, and we have to save it as a CSS file, and we do that with let's type style. You can give it, this is the name you're gonna give to the file, you can give it whatever name you want, and then .css, okay, and it's inside our portal next to our other files. Save it, and you see that the colors, okay, changed the colors of the code. So now it recognizes that this is CSS code, okay. And this is how we use an external file of CSS, okay. So we can delete in our web page file, we can delete all this, okay, save it. But I still have to put inside the head tags, I have to type a line of code that says we have to go to this external CSS file and get the code, okay, the CSS code. So I do that like this, link rel equals style sheet type equals text CSS, now href, and here I'm gonna type the name of the file that has the CSS code, all the CSS code, which is style.css, okay, style.css, and that's it, okay. So now this is the link, this is the line of code you have to, if you use an external CSS file, you always have to use this line of code inside the head tags, okay guys? Okay, this is all for this video. If you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment section below, okay guys? See you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. See you.